under a minute on how to change your light bulbs, which I think is a xenon on the 2016 Range Rover Sport. Diesels, which I have. I'm sure it works for all the other engines, body styles, maybe even the Range Rover itself. But it's pretty simple. Remove these 3 screws. I actually found mine. This is the blown one. I just replaced it. Of course, you can see how messed up this one is. I mean, it happens. Typical, you know, whatever. They just burn out. But yeah, I found mine on Amazon for I think 30 bucks. Came with 2 of them. At AutoZone, I think it was like $100+. And at the dealership, we were talking like $200 or $300. But my whole thing is I've dealt with 3 or 4 previous cars, these xenon bulbs from Amazon. They've always worked and did what they're supposed to do. Anyways, all I did was screw this cap back here. Then this is going to release the housing, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. Just twist this out. Now what you're just going to do is this cord down here, right here. There we go. This is going to unplug, plug, put your new one in. Okay, this is the old one. Put your new one in, and you're ready to go. Now, just do reverse, put your stuff back, and you are all set. Hard to see during the daytime, but end result, just like this one, got this one. Do it again for you. All done. So that's how you change it. The reason I'm showing this is just so you guys don't have to go to the dealership. You can do this in your front yard. It took me under 5 minutes to do, and you know, save you some money. Also save you time for waiting at the dealership, them charging you service fee and all that other stuff that you don't want to deal with. So if you guys do it, let me know what you guys did. Maybe show some parts that you guys use and how things worked out for you. Take it easy, guys.